Hello, so we created an app called Poseidon to help people stay safe from the sea.
So I'm Lucy de la Taille, and I'm the business owner.
Hi, I'm Manali, and I worked in the graphic design.
I'm Dino, and I made the application and the backend.
So the problems we are treating, tsunamis and floods are increasing day by day. These represent three major threats to the country. Many people get injured and risk dying. Infrastructure gets destroyed, and the country's economy stagnates. We worked on an example character. Aditya is a farmer, and he represents 60% of the population in Indonesia. We need to make sure that Aditya and other people like him are safe. What solutions are we offering? The predictions and the severity of disasters, finding out the areas affected, and the indications of shelters, safe areas from the disasters. And involved targets are the people to move them from the affected areas and the government.
So this is the business model. So the model anticipates tsunamis and floods. We need developers, a marketer, and to store our app and maintain it. We are going to create a user adoption by doing ad campaigns on social media and internet and text messages. Our key partners are local authorities and World Bank and Sea Level Rise Foundation. Our benefits are to reduce casualties and produce smart data. Our business model also is to build smart data and model for Indonesian disasters, to sell to local authorities and organizations and share the information with the population. Our financial resources are crowdfunding, donations, and events. These are our competitors. Our advantages are predictions of tsunami intensities, no technical knowledge and transportation of people to shelters, direct partnership with local government and UN.
So we also developed a minimal viable product, and this isn't the up-to-date version, but on the up-to-date version, you have here we just. So on our website, you can find a map, which can you zoom out a bit?
Great. Okay.
Okay, so you can see these bubbles and also these markers on the map. So first, let's talk about the markers. So these markers, if you click on them, if you click on the markers, you can see. So someone has put up a shelter, like a shelter on the website, and so it's like people in danger areas can ask them if they can go to those shelters, and then we can accept. And so we also have these circles here. So these are the they basically show where have been like recent earthquakes, and this is also live data from sources, and so it's from yellow to red. So yellow would be the less important earthquakes, and the red would be the more dangerous earthquakes. And also we have a model which would allow us to determine the severity of a tsunami if one occurs based on the magnitude of an earthquake.